GMC all-terrain, beautiful truck. I don't know what we're gonna do to it yet. The 15 GMC Sierra 1500 all-terrain edition. Got a lift kit, nice mud tires on it, all-terrains. What's got on it? It's still got the stock converters there and there, and then a third one there. And then what we did on it is we put a 2.5 inch to 2 1/4 tailpipes, wide pipe setup right there. There's the tailpipes. Angle cut tips out the back. Right there, right there. That's how you get them dualed out. I'll let you guys hear it in a second. Black tips, you tuck them up. You tuck them up all the time, makes it look a lot better, a lot cleaner. All you see is the tip, no pipe. It's a really clean design. Let you guys hear it on the inside.